Once, in a village nestled near a great jungle, there lived 5 blind men. Each of them was wise in his own way, but they often argued over ideas and truth. One day, a merchant came through the village leading a majestic elephant, a creature none of the blind men had ever encountered. Hearing the excitement of the villagers, the blind men became curious. They approached the elephant, each determined to understand what it was. They decided to touch the elephant one by one and describe the gigantic animal. The first man touched the elephant's side. "Ah," he exclaimed, "the elephant is like a wall, broad and strong." The second man grabbed the tusk. "No, no," he insisted, "the elephant is like a spear, as sharp and smooth." The third felt the trunk. "You are both wrong. The elephant is like a snake, long and flexible." The fourth held onto the leg. "It's clear," he said, "that the elephant is like a tree trunk, thick and unbending." The fifth man tugged the ear. "It is a fan," he smiled. "Soft and flappy." The 5 men began to argue, each convinced he was right. "You're blind to the truth," one shouted. "No, you are wrong," barked another. Their voices grew louder. Just then, a wise elder of the village approached them and said, "Each of you is telling the truth, but only part of it. You touched only one part of the elephant, so you know only a piece of the whole. If you listen to each other, you may understand the full picture." The blind men paused. They realized their mistake. They were not wrong, but incomplete. From that day on, they promised to listen more, argue less, and combine their views to see a greater truth. Each perspective holds a part of the truth. True wisdom comes from listening, sharing, and seeing the bigger picture.